Good afternoon, everyone. Here I am to let you know how to install one of the most renowned open source relationship database for SQL, that is Postgres SQL. So here I am. So we will just Google PostgreSQL. So this is one of the best SQLs to start your SQL journey with. So here I go to the web page. So there is an option of download. I have Windows here. So I will click Windows here and then I'm going to download the version of 14. So now I'm just downloading installer, and then you can see I have Windows. So I'm going to just click download here. So give it a couple of minutes for it to download. Yeah, it's around 290 MB. I'll just tell you how to set this up and how to start your SQL journey with this. So this is the so basically for SQL you need two things to run SQL. One is the SQL engine, and another is the editor where you're writing the code. So this is a good platform which contains both of them and is the lightest. So if you go for SQL Server, so you require SQL Server 2018 or so, and plus you need a management studio as well, which is around 2 GB of your space, which is a lot of space, and it slows down your system. So that's why I suggest all my mentees and my people, my clients, to use Postgres SQL. So here now I just click next, and you can see it is getting installed. Yes, and then I will just select a path. I don't need actually the stack builder, and I'll leave the command line tools just in case. Yeah, so here it is. So password, you can see whenever you log in, they will ask for a password. So just for the admin, so just select a password. And port is okay. You can keep it as default. And now it is ready. Just click next, and then you can see it is ready for installing. So there are a lot of advantages of this particular thing. I will just share with you one more document. Uh, so this is the SQL Kickstart document over here, which I will share with you. Okay, just keep it. So here I am talking about installing. So this particular location that I have shared, it contains the code for the database. So this I will share with you guys. So basically now this particular code will help you create a particular database of a company department with employees details, salary details, to do some of the analysis that I'm going to talk about. So just give it a couple of minutes till it is downloaded. So I wanted to install it from scratch and show how this SQL is downloaded and installed, because uh, uh, this is very important for a particular student or a particular person who is interested to learn data science, to basically use this particular tool and download it and then try out all the code, because there are a lot of hacker ranks and places where you can code, but you will not have the full control of the database. So this particular engine that I am showing you, this particular process, and you will have the control, complete control of the tables, the database, and you can the queries that you're writing will be real time, and there will not be any dependency of any third-party tools. So this is very good. So one of the examples after downloading this tool that I will show you is like there will be challenges, like how you need to calculate the salary differences between the first and the departments, the highest salary of a particular department, and so on. So this is very important for all these things as well. So just give it a couple of minutes. It takes some time to download because it's around a big engine as well, because till it is getting downloaded. If any questions are there, so you can put it on your comments below, and I would really like to answer it as well, because this is very important. See, it is you're okay to use SQL Server or any other tools as well, but see, see different types of languages as you can note. One is SQL Server, one is MySQL, Oracle SQL, PL SQL basically. Uh, so that is it. So whichever you are okay, the logic that is being used, it is okay that you know the logic, and then maybe the codes may change a little bit according to some of the requirement, but basically the rest of the things are the same. The logic. So it is up to you. If you have anything pre-installed, you can use that. Uh, but this particular code that I am sharing with you here is it is like based of MySQL, and this will not run in this particular code. Will may not run in SQL Server. So here it is installed. Now I will go to. Okay, now I how to get to the program. So PostgreSQL pgadmin 4. Yeah, you can see it's coming up. The first time it takes a little time to start, but once it is loaded, it will be fast. So this is the same password that I put on the website. So once this is done, now I will go to servers. Again, I need to put the same password. Why is it not working? Yeah. So here databases. I go to query tool. Okay. Now, as I was telling you earlier, this particular code is there. It's basically, you can just go through this particular code. It will tell you how it is basically inserting a table. It is creating a schema. Okay, and then basically it is setting the path to the schema, and then it is creating different tables. Both of the code we will have access, and if any specific question, we can get back to you. Okay, so there is a syntax error. It's 2 lines just deleted. Okay. Now I will just refresh. We just run this line by line. It's schema already exists, but why am I not able to see this? Schema, data science, table. So I have this. And now I need to do view first 100 rows. So here it is. So this is the whole setup with the code that I shared you. Now the table, just go through this. It is very self-explanatory. Do some exploratory analysis regarding the number of people in a particular job title. What is the maximum salary? What is the minimum salary? So we have here there is a department which has the salary information as well. This is basically this is the department name. This is the listing. This is the region. So this is the basically the main table is the employee table, which I showed you earlier as well. Yeah. So from all this information, you can do some analysis, and then we'll get back in the next video. Thanks for your